how I created this diamond animation, making use of Procreate and Procreatedreams. After creating a new canvas, I clicked on drawing guide and turned on the symmetry tool. Then I drew an oval shape and made sure it is at the middle of the canvas. Then I duplicated it and placed one above the other. Added a dot at the bottom for the base of the diamond. Combined those layers into a group. Added guidelines to the side of the oval on a layer above. Toggled on animation assist and made the above guideline layer the foreground. Added more guidelines to serve as a pathway and timeline. Then I duplicated the group and began adjusting the oval along the timeline with the use of the distort tool. I'm making this adjustment frame by frame because I want the diamond to have a little rotation. Here I'm numbering the groups and then I duplicate them and rearrange them backwards. I selected a green color, created a layer above the first group, then started adding some key points of the diamond. I'll do the same for the rest groups. Only in those groups I'll be adding a point in front of the previous point because I want the diamond to also rotate in an anti-clockwise motion. Now here is what it looks like after adding those points. Here with a red color I'm joining those points together in order to show the diamond shape. After that we also do same for the other groups. Now here is what it looks like after joining all the points. Pretty cool, huh? Now I'm adding the base color beneath the outline, which I will be doing same for other groups. Now we create a layer above the base layer. Hit clip marks and change the layer to multiply mode. We use this layer to add shade to the base layer. Here we add a layer above the multiply layer. Change its properties to color dodge and use the layer to add highlights. We also do this for the entire group. Now we make the background color darker. Create a layer above the color dodge layer. Change layer properties to add layer. Then add this glow brush. Do this for the other groups. Also duplicate the diamond layer. Select the bottom layer. At the option bar, click blue. Then make the layer glow. Now we flatten all groups so we can import them to Procreatedreams. What time is it? Importation time. Currently at Procreatedreams. Now we duplicate the group and make it how long we want it. We merge all duplicated groups together and combine them into a group. Create a keyframe. Hit the performance tool. Record this up and down motion. Create another keyframe. Hit the HSB tool. And change the color of the diamond throughout the timeline. Copy the group. Paste it below the main group and adjust it to fit the main group. Select the group. Click flip vertical. Move it below the main group. Select the group again. Click opacity and reduce the opacity. Voila! Beautiful, isn't it? So this was